Hello and welcome friends. If you are here and not yet subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe. This is a learning channel, and today I will show you some of the chairs, the ergonomic chairs which you can use to sit for study and for working in computers and to work with computers. So these are really comfortable chairs, and you can choose the product from the catalog that I am going to have on this screen. So the number is here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So these are the 20 model of the chairs, and with this number exactly the link is given in the description, so you can open the link and choose the product you want to buy. So go to the same serial number and choose the product. The price ranges from roughly 2500 to 20,000 or 25,000, so it will range like that as per your choice. So please pick a product and purchase it. These are really good and comfortable that I have found at Amazon. So links are there, click the link and buy out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.